Before starting with the last experiment, as it was being informed about that the AutoCAD has the total 5 experiments. So AutoCAD 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So in that, the AutoCAD 4 was the isometric, and the AutoCAD sheet 3 and AutoCAD sheet 5. So sheet 3 and sheet 5. Sheet 5 was your reading house plan, and sheet 3 was reading orthographic projection. So if the time permits, definitely I'll be taking reading orthographic projection as well. But otherwise, in a reading orthographic, simply 2 diagrams are being given, and the third diagram we have to draw. So it is very similar to the orthographic. Try it. If you are not able to do it, just let me know. I'll just explain it. Reading house plan, that you will be directly creating a PDF of it, and then you will be uploading it along with your sheet number 3, which was already being told via CR. And once again, I'm just reminding if anyone has not done it, so please do that as well. Now coming to this fourth experiment, which is the isometric. In an isometric, what is to be done and what are the things is there already you are aware of in the or this drawing practical we have done in the sheet. Now today we'll be doing with in an AutoCAD, the how AutoCAD runs with an isometric, that we'll be seeing it. So everyone just put on their AutoCAD and we'll come. I'll just share the AutoCAD screen. So this is the AutoCAD drawing what we are supposed to draw today, and I hope everyone has put on their AutoCAD today. House plan diagram is sheet 3 or sheet 5. I think so. The Deepak, I have given you the whole AutoCAD sheet problems. So kindly refer that, and it's request to all the students, please refer. Okay, don't each and everything if you'll be asking whatever is already being given to you, it will be difficult for me to continue with the things. Okay, so please follow the sheet problems whatever is given to you. Okay, so should we start then, students, everyone? Yeah, okay, so let's start with the things. The very first is the isometric. We have to convert it. So the things what you are seeing right now, the cursor what you are able to see right now, it is seems to be like perpendicular. Okay, it is if I'll put the ortho mode on. Okay, if I'll put the ortho mode on, in that case what will happen, I'll be only able to draw the straight lines. Okay, in the vertical direction. Okay, in this way and in this way, right? But what will happen in the case when we are talking about we have to draw it automatically everything at an angle of 30 degree, because 30-degree inclination used to be done in the case of the isometric. Here there is no 30 degree, we have to measure it every now and then. ठीक है ना, तो ये एंगल अगर हमको मेजर करना होगा, so what is this angle? तो ये angle है that I have to measure it. ठीक है, this angle I have to measure it. What is that angle? So let's take an example. It is 45. So this inclination is 45. But in the case of isometric, when we'll turn the whole cursor into an isometric form, then you will see that no need to measure the 30-degree angle, because automatically it will be creating the 30-degree inclination. Okay, so let's come to that part. Yeah, so everyone can see this icon, isometric drafting. Everyone can see this icon. It is mentioned here. See this icon. Everyone is able to see iso draft. The moment you click on it, your cursor will change. The moment you click on it, the cursor will change. Is it happening with everyone? Please reply in the chat. Is it happening with everyone? Perfect. Good. So this is the way basically the conversion of normal into, see, now I'm just putting it off. Now my cursor is like this. I'm clicking on this iso draft. My cursor is making a change. So in that way, if you want to convert your normal drawing into the isometric, the very first thing you have to do it in this way. ठीक है, ऐसे कर लेंगे. Very good. Now In this case, wait a minute. Okay. So now here, once we are trying to go with this, so we have to go with the ortho mode on. ठीक है, so सबके the screen पे दिख रहा होगा ortho mode on, that L shape what was earlier seen. In my case, I'll just make the changes. So yeah, now I'll be able to draw only the vertical lines. It is not being shown. So ortho mode to be kept on. Okay. So now here I'll be able to draw only the vertical line. Incline. देखो यहाँ पे बच्चों, the cursor how it is representing, only that direction I can move. Are you able to see? Only the cursor as it is there. The cursor is in what directions? The cursor is in two directions. One is vertical and one is inclined towards left to right. ठीक है? At an angle of 30 degrees. So ये देखो ये line बना सकते हैं. If I want to draw from here to here, ऐसे बनाना है तो नहीं बना सकते, right? This way. So for that, what I have to do? I will press F5. See, my cursor is changing, बच्चों. Getting it? My cursor is changing. Now I can't make the vertical lines. Is it clear? Now I can't make the vertical lines. I am pressing F5. मैंने press किया था F5. ठीक है? The moment I press F5, I'll make a change in the cursor. Press F5. ठीक है? So the moment I press F5, I can make a change in the cursor. So in that way, what we can do is we can make the inclination towards left and right. Similarly, the moment I press F5 once again, see, now I can do vertical and from left, right to left. Earlier it was left to right. Now it is right to left. Okay. So I hope it is clear, everyone. Okay. So the for switching the ISO draft, this icon. Wait a minute. To switching of the ISO draft, this you can see here there is an icon here, ISO draft. Students, everyone, I'll just click on it. देखो ये मेरा cursor is becoming a normal one, and the moment I click on this, which is an ISO draft option, my cursor is changing, and the cursor continuously to be changed. देखो directions is changing. Is it clear, students? This much is it clear? Everyone, I'm pressing just F5. It is creating the isoplanes on the right, on the left, on the top, on the right, on the left, on the top, on the right, on the left, on the top. Are you getting it? Right now it is right. So everyone, is it clear till here? Should I move further? Please note it down anywhere that how you have converted a normal cursor into an isometric cursor. ISO draft, how you have worked out. Please just mention that. That will be little easier for you to refer later on as well. Yes, come on. Is it done? So I hope everyone is FI, nothing is happening, not able to draw horizontal line. You are not able to draw horizontal line because your cursor is, I think so, yeah, Tanisha got it now. The cursor is not along horizontal line. Chalo, so we'll start with the diagram now. Everyone, just let me know that what is the length, width and height of the figure. Students, please put it in a chat box. What is the length, width and height of the figure? Length, width and height of the figure. Can anyone tell me what is the length, width and height of the figure? So the length is 60. The length is 60. The width is 45. And the height is 60. The height is 60. Now the question comes, if from where, sir, you are getting this 60, 45 and 60. You can see here that this is the length because front view has the length and the height. So front view has length and height. So this length is how much? So the outer circle is having outer semicircle is having a radius of 30. So the total will become 60. So that is why the length is 60. Front view has length and height. So the height is 60. See here it is given. Height is 60. Now the right hand side view has the width and height. So width and height. Side view has width and height. So the height is similar that what we already received. Width is 45. I hope it is clear those who are not able to. Yeah, perfect. Everyone has given the answer almost. Good, good one. So this is something what we are having. First, we have to note it down this, and then later on we have to move further about the other things. Okay. So please note it down somewhere by just switching from this normal orthographic to isometric. From normal orthographic to isometric, once we are switching, we can write the text. So just write down the text for your reference. Okay. So let's start now for drawing the work. Okay. So I'll just convert myself into this ISO draft and then the things will start. So I'll just make a vertical line, which is the height of the figure. So the vertical line will be 60, 60, enter. Then I'll go this side. Now the question comes, students, that how you are deciding that we have to go this side, how much? Okay, so wait a minute, I'll show you something. Okay, so just have a look. This particular point, when I'm taking this, wait a minute. Okay, so this is something which is said to be O. Okay, this point is origin point hai bachcho. Now this origin point is represented where in the figure? ये देखो यहाँ पर represent किया हुआ दिख रहा है आपको? फिगर में देखो यहाँ पे represent. Are you getting it, students? So O is represented here. That means what? O के left में your front view gonna be coming. ठीक है? O के left में your front view gonna be coming. Be very careful. O के left में your front view into come. So in that case, what you will do now is you will be drawing. I'll press F5 and then you will be drawing a line from here. From this point, ये length कितना होगा बच्चों? Can anyone tell me in the chat box? What will be this length? Yeah, 60 mm. So 60 mm will be the length. Okay, 60 mm will be the length. Now what will be the height? What will be the height? Front view has the length and height. So the height will be 60 once again. So 60, enter. And then once again, I'll just drop it down till here. What is that value? 60, enter. So I hope this box is clear to you all. I hope this box is clear to you all. Yeah, you have to shift from ISO to ortho. Yeah, correct, Mayan. So is it done, everyone? Just draw it fast. Yes, Jayant, go on with your question. Where is Jayant? Jayant, go on with your question.
Sir, I was just asking about the angle. This is 30 degrees, right?
It is automatically 30 degree because ISO takes 30 degree inclination.
Oh, okay.
Mute yourself. Yeah. So I hope it is drawn, everyone. Is it? Please show your thumbs up. Based on that, I'll just move on further. How to draw horizontal line? You have to switch from ISO draft to the ortho mode, and then we can draw. You have to put off the ISO draft. ISO draft बंद करो. जब normal way में आ जाओगे तो make the line. So what are the dimensions? So this dimension is the length of the figure. This dimension is the height of the figure. See, you can see here, O is here, same type O is here. So O के left में ये पूरा diagram आने वाला. So O के left में we are taking. Left to O, we are taking this whole diagram. I hope it is clear, Isha. Come on, draw everyone fast. Yes, please give your confirmation so that we can move further. Yes, come on. Yes, Jayant, बोलो.
सर वो आइसोमेट्रिक ड्राफ्ट ऑन करने के बाद वो डायरेक्ट 30 जैसा कुछ नहीं ले रहा है सर.
नहीं 30 आपको बनाना ही नहीं है. ऑटोमेटिकली इट इज द आर्क इटसेल्फ इज 30 डिग्री इंक्लिनेशन है. देखो ये रेड लाइन दिख रहा है कर्सर में.
यस सर.
द कर्सर रेड लाइन इज ऑटोमेटिकली इंक्लाइंड एट 30 डिग्री ओनली.
Okay.
You don't have to type 30 degree anywhere.
हाँ यस सर. सर वो मेरा ऊपर का जो साइड है वो No,
नहीं
not.
है, नहीं है, right? So for that you have to press F5. Press F5, you will be getting the cursor in a vertical direction.
No, no, not this height, sir. The length one, sir. Upper.
Okay, this length one, right?
Upper, sir. Upper.
Upper this one, right?
That is not coming exact 60 when it is kept at 30 degrees for me.
Not coming 60. How is
I
it?
mean, sir, वो क्रॉस कर रहा है हाइट को.
हाँ, क्रॉस करने दो. Somewhere you might have made a mistake for this one.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you carry on with the way of how it is being drawn.
Okay, sir. Got it.
So I think so everyone has done very good. So now what we will do is, ये तो हमारा हो गया फ्रंट व्यू, ठीक है, जिसमें हमने ड्रॉ कर लिया लेंथ एंड हाइट. नाउ वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द विड्थ. So for that width, what we have to do is, I'll just change my cursor because my cursor is not going to be drawing this side. So I'll just draw it. Yeah. So this way, and now it will be moving from here to here. So this side now we have to draw the width. So width is 45. So I'll just simply type 45, enter. So the 45 is being done. Now I have to go above. I'll just press above the F5. The height is 60. And then once again here coming 45, enter. So that becomes your, this particular box is also done. Can you all make it, please? Once it is done, please let me know. Talking about the dimension, if you say this is your length, this is your height. So what is the third thing remaining? So that is your width. So this is your width. Okay. How you have decided that the length should be and the height should be this side, this way? Because O, when you see in the diagram, when you see O, left side of the O, the front view gonna be coming. So left side of the O, front view gonna be coming. And in the case of front view, you are having a length and height. So the next side will be automatically width. So on pressing F5, my cursor is not changing. I think so. It is just due to this. What you say, the software is little slow. That's why it's gonna be coming definitely. Can you repeat the diagram part again and the dimensions? Dimensions, not to worry only. Dimension, it is already being given. Simply what I am trying to say is this is O and here also it is O. You can see here that left side of the O, the whole front view is coming. So left side of the O, you have to draw the front view. So here you will be having the length. Why it is length? Because O ke left side mein there was a length of the figure and this is your height. So that is the height of the figure. So what is remaining now? Width. So ये width किधर आएगा? इधर आएगा. अच्छा, okay. Just check. Nishant has given one this idea, this option. Deepak, you can just check by pressing the function key and then press F5. Might be your F5 will be working. Okay, perfect, good. Okay, so I hope this much is done, everyone, and then just complete this part. What is that part you have to complete? ये complete कर लो. ये कितना है? ये भी 45 ही है. 45, enter, and then now coming to this side. So press F5 and then I'll just connect it this. So this box you have to make it, students. Just make this box little faster. Come on. Make this box. This line is parallel to this line and this one is parallel to this one. So this line is parallel to this line and this particular inclination is parallel to this. Come on, do it fast. Perfect. So people have done it. That's good. Now what you have to do is good one. Yeah, good. Now what you have to do is this whole diagram, you draw it on this plane. Okay. Your whole diagram, you have to draw it on this plane. This whole diagram, you have to draw it on this plane. Now, very carefully, everyone just look to it, because if I'm talking about a circle, it is going to be little typical. But once you understood, it is much better. So should we start then? यहाँ का draw करना शुरू करूँ मैं? Everyone. Okay. Okay, so let's start with the things. This particular diagram, you have to draw it here. Now just listen how it is being drawn. Slowly, slowly. Take. The very first thing is we'll be drawing a center line. कौन सा? We'll be drawing this center line. We'll be drawing this center line. ये center line हम बना देते हैं. ठीक है? So let's draw the center line first. So here, from here till here, we'll be drawing a center. ये center line हमने बना लिया. ठीक है? Later on we'll erase it, so not to worry about it. Simply make a center line. From midpoint to midpoint, you have to just simply connect it. Okay. So people are still making a box. So just complete the box and let me know, everyone. Okay, so now we'll move further. Sir, how did you draw center line? You press F3 and then it will automatically show you the midpoint. Vinay, you press F3 and then when you take a line command, it will automatically show you the midpoint. While drawing a vertical line, it is starting from either side of the horizontal line. Either side of the horizontal line. I didn't get you, Farid. While drawing a vertical line, it is starting from either side. If it is starting from either side of the vertical line, what you do is you press F3 so that the things will be stopped. And now try. Okay, so we'll move further now. Uh, what you have to do next, just have a look, listen everyone. We have to make the circle now. The semicircle we have to make it. Students, we have to make the semicircle. Okay? So in that semicircle, what you have to do is, we have to type here ellipse. क्या type करना है? Ellipse. याद रखो सब लोग. Ellipse. Enter. And here it is mentioned isocircle. Press I, enter. I hope it you got it. Once again repeating, क्या बोल रहा हूं मैं? Ellipse, enter, I, enter. Now it is asking that you have to specify the center point of the isocircle. Okay? In an isometric, if you want to draw a circle, it shows you the isocircle. So what we will do is we'll specify the center point. After then, see, automatically it is making a circle. Now you have to give the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle is 30. Enter. Now it has made it. See. Once again repeating what I have done. Ellipse. Enter. I. Enter. Specify the center point of the isocircle. I have specified the center point of the isocircle. And now I am giving 30 radius. I got the circle. Now the extra part, trim it. Extra part को trim करो. Like this way. So I hope you are able to draw this. I hope you are able to draw this. In similar way, you have to draw the smaller circle as well, which is a radius of 20. फिर से ellipse, I, enter, specify the center point, and then the radius is 20. You got the second circle. Trim that as well. I hope this much you got it. Just draw this much so that we can move further. Just draw this much and then we can move further. Whoever has done, they can try a little more further as well. So just complete this much and then let me know. So with this, everyone has done with the curve part. Now we'll move further. Moving further, what we are seeing here is you have to draw a line from here above, and that line will be till the top. Then we'll go right side. Now going to the right side, how much it is? Question comes going to the left side, how much it is? So we are basically drawing what? We are basically drawing this line. ये line हमने draw किया, अब हम ये line draw कर रहे हैं. तो ये जो ये line draw कर रहे हैं ना, उसका length कितना होगा? तो we don't know. कैसे पता चलेगा? See, this curve is 15 radius. This curve is 15 radius. That means its diameter will be how much? 30. ये इतना 30 हो गया. Correct है? ये इतना 30 हो गया. What is the total distance? 60. और उसमें 30 इसने ले लिया, तो बचा कितना? 30. So this is 15 and this is 15. I hope it is clear. Very good. Given already answer is given. Great. So we have to take it 15, 15. Yeah. So take it 15, enter, and then dropping down. Now dropping down how much? See here it is given 10. So you have to drop down 10. You have to drop down 10. And then we have to move this side. Moving this side, we'll go take 30. Going above 10. Going this side 15. And then dropping down. So with this, I hope you are clear with the up till here. ये इतना क्लियर है. यहाँ पे मैं सर्कल बनाऊंगा बच्चों. So not to wait about this, not to worry about that. Once again repeating, this height is similar to this height, which is 60, and ये पूरा distance, this complete distance is 60. उसमें ये circle is having a diameter as 30 because radius is 15, so the diameter is 30. So the remaining is again 30. So this is 15 and this is 15. So what I've taken is from here I've taken 15. I've dropped down 10. See, drop down 10. And then taken 30 and then once again taken up 10, 15 and drop down till the last. So I hope it is clear to all. Please draw it till here. So I hope everyone is able to draw till here. Please give your confirmation, then we can start further. Abhishek, that is not a curve. That is a circle. You have to make it. ISO circle. You have to make it, and then you have to delete it. Okay, Abhishek. Abhishek, you have to make ISO circle, and then you have to delete that semicircular part of it. Is it clear, Abhishek? Yes, Jayant, bolo.
Sir, can you show this isocircle? Oh, this is the same as ellipse.
I'll just erase it once again. Just have a look.
Yes, sir.
I'll just type the ellipse, and then isocircle. See here, isocircle is seen. Yes or no? Isocircle. You have to type I, enter. Now they are asking specify the center point. So I've specified the center point, and the radius is 15. I'll just give 15, enter. I got the circle. I'll just trim it. That is the arc what we received. I hope it is clear now. Everyone. Everyone, till here there is no such concept basically we are using in the case of the isometric. Simply we are drawing whatever is given here, we are drawing it here. No concept yet we have applied which is specific to the isometric. Only the isocircle part what was new for you. Rest all is similar what was given and taught for prior. So yes, anyone? Is it clear, everyone? Yes, okay. Let's move further then now. Okay. Just अभी देखो थोड़ा सा concept लगना शुरू होगा. देखो. Now, front view, whatever was there, we have drawn it. But the side view says that ये देखो एक चीज बहुत few things you have to tap it now. Side view का ये देखो ये portion जो है it is meeting with this one, right? It is meeting with this. That means what ये particular portion जो है ना इधर से लेके this particular portion ये पूरा portion is representing the semicircular part. Yes or no, बच्चों? Say yes or no. Yes, perfect. Now, and the remaining part in the sense for this one, ये जो portion, ये पूरा portion जो है ना, ये portion you can see it here. ये देखो ये portion. Got it? Is it done? Yes or no? Yes or no, students? So basically this blue color का जो shaded portion जितना भी मैं दिखा रहा हूँ उसका thickness कितना हुआ? Can you tell me? Anyone can tell what will be the thickness of this blue shaded portion in a front view? What will be the thickness of the blue shaded portion in the front view? Thickness कितना होगा उसका? Perfect. 15 है देखो 15 यहाँ से दिख रहा है 15. It will be 15. ठीक है? It will be 15. Very good. So basically we have to draw this portion little back side. थोड़ा पीछे लेके जाना है. यहाँ से दिख रहा है. कितना पीछे लेके जाना है? 30 पीछे लेके जाना है and 15 का thickness बनाना है. So let's make that. Let's see how it works. So now what I'll do is I'll just select this one, this one, this one, this and this. Okay, I'll just make a copy of it and then go backside. Backside के लिए I'll press F5. So backside में कितना जाऊंगा मैं? I'll go 30 backside and then I'll go 60 backside. Sorry, 45 backside. Yes or no, बच्चों? ये दोनों मैंने बना लिया. So for a time being, what I'll do is I'll just make this particular portion as lighter. तो आपको confuse नहीं होगा, आप समझ जाओगे अच्छे से. Is it yes or no? Yes or no, students? I've just taken backside. Kitna backside? 30, and then the next one is 45. Once again repeating, no issues. चलो देखो फिर से repeat कर देता हूँ. Okay, देखो. So what I'll do is this blue portion. What we have to go with is we have to go from. I'll just show you once again. यहाँ पे है हम लोग फिलहाल. ठीक है, उसको लेके हम यहाँ पर. ठीक है, we'll go 30 backside and then we'll go 45 backside. Are you getting it? पहले हम 30 backside लेंगे and then we'll go 45 backside. तो हमने ये layer बना दिया and then we have made this layer. These two layers we are making it. Just have a look how it is. I'll just select this line, this one, this one, this one, and like this. I'll just select it. I'll just take a copy, and this will be taken backside 30. ये मैंने 30 बना दिया बच्चों. चलो एक एक करके समझते हैं. Rather than making the 45 also, we'll go one by one. ठीक है. So first we have made this layer. अभी मैंने ये लेयर बना दिया तो यहाँ का डिलीट करना चाहिए. ओके, चलो डिलीट कर देते हैं. What is that? I'll just delete this so that to proper understand this. ये delete, 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 and then delete. Got it clear? Now is it clear? वो पीछे चला गया. Multiple selection is simply you have to click it on, keep on clicking it. It will select the multiple selections. If it is not happening with the multiple selection, there might be some issue with your software. So you can do one by one as well, not a problem. Okay. So 45 sorry, ये 30 कहाँ दिख रहा है? So 30 यहाँ दिख रहा है. Keep it in mind. देखो 30 यहाँ दिख रहा है. देखो यहाँ this. ये 30 यहाँ दिख रहा है. बाकी कहीं मत देखो because you will not be able to identify only. वो पीछे है कि नहीं है वो पता ही नहीं चलेगा. For that what you have to do is you have to see here. ये देखो ये 30 पीछे गया. Are you getting it? ये 30 देखो पीछे गया. आगे वाला पार्ट yes delete it. आगे वाला पार्ट you delete it because it will create a confusion. That's it. Only keep the आगे वाला part, this part. I hope it is clear, everyone. Everyone done? Till now we have only drawn this particular portion. This particular portion I have taken from here to here. यहाँ पे लेके आ गया. That's all. I hope it is clear, everyone. Yeah. I hope it is clear, everyone, right? How to do it? You have to select it and you have to take a copy. You have to make a copy. Selected part copy नहीं हो रहा है. Correct ways. वो line को direction में copy हो रहा है. हाँ तो press F5 ना. Press F5. You have to change the cursor such that it should go backside. Sejal, press F5. Perfect. People have done good. Now what I am saying is now we have to take this portion as well. कौन सा portion? ये जो portion है ना सेमी सर्कल का. सेमी सर्कल का जो पोर्शन इधर है वही पोर्शन तो यहाँ पर भी होगा. यस और नो स्टूडेंट्स? whatever the semicircular portion is here, the same circular portion will be here as well. यहाँ पर भी होगा. Yes or no? Seems to be like a kind of a tunnel, right? It will be a kind of a tunnel. So in that case, what we will do is we will copy this upper portion of the semicircle. नीचे वाला नहीं copy करेंगे. I'll tell you why. ठीक है? For a time being, just copy it. We'll just copy this and then we'll copy it from here till the 30. 30 पे copy करेंगे. Like this. Okay, we are copying from here and then we are taking it here. So everyone just draw it till here. Slowly, slowly it is turning into a this 3D drawing. So try to analyze how it is going to be. Slowly, slowly the things are going to be a 3D drawing now. So please focus on it and very carefully just have a look. You have to type ellipse, bacha, and then you have to press the I, enter. You have to type ellipse and then you have to type I, enter. You'll be able to draw it. So this much I hope you have everyone drawn. Yeah, everyone. Perfect. The time what I am providing to you is more than enough in the case if you are drawing it seriously. Okay. So I hope it is done. Okay. Now what we will do is we will create this tunnel as a 3D. Right now it is not seems to be like a 3D. It seems to be like one plane is here and one plane is backside. Now what you do is you select one point. You select one point. See such type of quadrant जैसा दिखेगा आपको. ये देखो मेरे को दिख रहा है. In the screen on the screen you can see such type of symbol you will be getting. Quadrant. Click there and then once again there is a quadrant. So click there. Two quadrants you will be seeing. You just connect them. After that, you have to Control A and then you have to trim the portion. Now you can see that it seems to be like a 3D diagram. Now it seems to be like a 3D diagram. Now it seems to be like a tunnel. Yes or no, students? Now it seems to be like a tunnel. Now it seems to be like a tunnel. Quadrant in the sense, just have a look. I'll just take a point and then I'll just select on it. So देखो यहाँ पे देखो ऐसे quadrant. यहाँ पे if you keep on rolling it, so here you'll be getting a quadrant. The quadrant will be seems to be like a diamond shape. Diamond shape का यहाँ पे quadrant मिलेगा. Right now I'm getting end point because I've made already a line. But here you will be getting a quadrant. ठीक है? So in that case, you are getting a quadrant here. At the same time, when you roll it on this circle, you'll be getting once again a quadrant. The quadrant seems to be like a diamond shape, huh, students? Diamond. It seems to be like this. ऐसा कुछ structure दिखने लगे green color का. Green color का such type of structure you'll be seeing. If you are not getting it, if you are not getting a this semicircle on your quadrant on a semicircle, what you do is you click on this. ये देखो ये object snap पे click करो ये arrow पे, and then you make a tick on the quadrant. Are you getting it? Click on this arrow and then click on this quadrant. See to it, it should be a tick. ये देखो ये diamond shape का दिख रहा है. The similar way it will be seen like this way. Okay, and then you will be able to see that portion. I hope you'll be able to get it now. Kinjal, I hope you'll be able to get it. What are the parts to be trimmed after? Mayank, it should be seen in this way. You can just have a look and accordingly just make a trim. Yes, Jayant, bolo.
Sir, how to activate that quadrant when you mentioned?
So you have to I told you now, you have to press F3 to activate it. At the same time, still if you are not getting it, in the case of F3, we were getting the end points, right? End point, midpoint, right?
Yes, sir.
So in that case, why it was getting? Because you have made a tick here. So in the similar way, you just tick here as a quadrant as well.
Oh, okay, sir.
And now you'll be getting it.
Okay, sir.
Oh. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Okay. Okay. So everyone is getting till here. Should we move further now? Should we move further now till here, everyone, if it is getting? Perfect. Good. Abhi dekho. The things whatever was this part, ये जो green color का portion मैं आपको अभी बता रहा हूँ, this green color shaded portion, you have drawn till here, यहाँ तक बना लिया ये, ठीक है? Now we are making that going back side, पीछे जा रहे हैं उसी को लेके, ठीक है? उसको ही लेके पीछे जा रहे हैं और इधर बनाएंगे, this, ठीक है? At the distance of 15, at the distance of 15. Now everything will not take it because it will create a confusion to us. Now why and how, which are the things you have to take it there? We'll take this part, take this part, we'll take this part, this portion, we'll take it and we'll go backside. Now why is it so only this much? And how you came to know that only this much? Let's have a look and then slowly understand. I've taken backside. Now when we are drawing this, we are making a solid body. Students, you might be knowing that there here only I have taken the outer semicircle. I have not taken the inner semicircle. So do you feel that the inner semicircle will be seen in the case of this tunnel? In the case of this tunnel, the inner semicircle will be seen? No. Very good. In the same way, when we'll shift this as well backside, there are few things which will not be seen as it is in solid case. Okay, solid body ho jayega. So that is why it will not be seen. So what are the things will be seen and what are the things not being seen? You can see it in this way. We'll just erase this part and then we'll remove this, we'll remove this, we'll remove this. You can see here that this seems to be this way. I'll just connect this portion with this and this portion with this. Similarly, I'll just connect it with this portion and with this portion. I hope now slowly it is going to be a solid body. You can see now. Yes or no, students? This one. So these are the things what you'll be able to see as a solid body. Few more things is to be drawn, but still, till here, is it clear? Just check and tell me till here, is it clear? Please draw it till here. Come on, everyone. Everyone just complete it till here. Everyone fast. Perfect. So everyone is almost done. Good. Sir, how to erase the lower isocircle part? Erase, delete करो select करके. Select करके delete करो. Okay. Now what you'll do is, now you can see one thing. Now, one thing what you can see is this particular portion. यहाँ पे देखो, ये portion ये, ठीक है यहाँ पे. What we have made this line. ये देखो ये line बनाया ना हमने. This line and this line. Why this line is being there? Because there is a change. वो 5 अंदर गए. That much portion has got little inserted little inside 5 this 5 mm. Okay, so we have to take that 5 mm inside. So how we'll do it? Just have a look. So we will be taking a distance from here 5. Okay, we'll be taking a distance as 5. So we'll be taking a distance 5. So from here, I'll take 5, enter, and then we'll go above. So press F5, I'll go above. Wherever I'll be getting the point, from there, F5, I'll go this side. Like this way. I'll be going backside. Yeah, just do it fast. Come on. You have to go 5 backside, then make a line above. Similar line, you have to make it that side as well. And then make this step. Make this L shape. Come on, make this L shape, everyone. The same you have to do it here as well. Vivanshu, your video is on. Yes, Jayant, bolo. Jayant. Come on, do it fast. The things what we have done here, the same thing you have to do it there as well. Come on, do it fast. So this is the thing what you have to draw. And with this, do you feel the diagram is over? Everyone? Yes, students, come on. Do you feel this diagram is over? Okay. Nishant is telling no, the diagram is not over. Yes, Nishant, can you tell me what is the thing remaining? Yes, rest of the people, can you give your opinion whether the diagram is over? Very good, Nishant, very good. Let me check rest of the people are getting the things or not. Hidden line is nowhere will be coming. In isometric, no hidden line will be coming, Mangesh. OS is telling no. Why OS? What is remaining? Hidden line doesn't comes in the isometric, so not to worry about it, Mangesh. Other than that, can you tell me if there is anything remaining? Yes, anyone? No, center line will also not come, Yash. Anything else? Thirty mm line. What is the 30 mm line, Mangesh? Okay, so only one answer I got it. Just have a look. What is remaining? So the remaining part is basically the yeah, perfect, Omkar, good one. So the remaining part, what I'll show you is here. See, this point will be connected and will be coming down. Okay. So with this, we'll just come to know that it is a solid body. Got it? With this, we'll come to know that it is a solid body. You can just have a look, try that whether it is was the thing what was missing. Now is it completed, students? Now is it completed? Yes, it is completed. Nothing else is there. Everyone? Nothing else is there. Perfect. So the diagram is completed now, students. Yes, it is completed. Now I expect that. Yes, Mangesh. Bolo, Mangesh, bolo.
सर वो 30 mm का वो लाइन नहीं आएगा उस बिग सर्कल में 30 रेडियस का
I didn't get you once again.
सर 30 रेडियस का जो सर्कल है
ये वाला
30 रेडियस सर
30 radius, yes.
हाँ सर उसके ऊपर का जो पार्ट है ना वो नहीं आएगा क्या
इधर इधर
नहीं सर लाइन देखो ना राइट हैंड साइड व्यू में
राइट हैंड साइड व्यू में ये वाला लाइन बोल रहे हो?
उसके ऊपर वाला सर
ये वाला लाइन?
यस सर
ये वाला लाइन ही तो ये है ना कर्व पार्ट को अगर मैं इसको प्रेस कर दूं और इसका मैं लेंथ 0 कर दूं तो यू विल बी गेटिंग अ लाइन हियर ना.
मगर सर वो राइट हैंड साइड पे नहीं दिख रहा है ना इस डायग्राम पे
Right hand.
बनाया
Listen. This the diagram, this particular line, what does it represent? It is representing a farthest generator of the this semicircle. Yes or no?
यस सर
तो जब इसको हम प्रेस कर देंगे, जब इसका लेंथ 0 कर देंगे, आफ्टर देन यू विल बी गेटिंग दैट शार्प लाइन.
Yes, sir.
But in the case of the solid body, but in the case of 3D diagram, you will not be getting as a sharp line. Na? Bottle ko sharp line रहता है क्या? The curved bottle.
Nice, sir.
So in the same way, it will be drawn here.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Anything else is there, students? Anyone? Anyone is having any other doubt? Anyone? Okay. If you are not having a doubt, then let's move to the second diagram. Second diagram, just draw it. I'll just stop the share and let's start with the second diagram. Everyone start doing the second diagram. I'll display the second diagram as well.